Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I'm currently long in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down. Starting here on the 1 hour chart, you can see here in the London session, Bitcoin has been delivered to the sell side, and then here in the New York session, Bitcoin is being delivered to the buy side. I normally catch the London session, missed it last night, and New York session missed some of this morning. But when I was able to trade, I was able to take this position here. I'll walk you through it on the 1 minute. And now I've taken a second position here and have put in an order for a potential third position. We'll see how that goes as price action continues to play out here. Here on the 1 minute, I'll go over I'll go over them in tandem on the 60 and the 1 minute. So for this first position, we'll come in this first position. This candle here, this is the 11 a.m. New York candle right here. So this candle closes in an up position, so an up close candle. So this candle is bullish. Now that this candle is bullish, my draw on liquidity is going to be to the buy side for this next candle, which is this 12 p.m. candle. With that in mind, I take my attention to the 1 minute chart. Come here. And then we'll see the equivalent here. So the low here is 433.9 here. I believe the high is going to be here, which is 101.5625. Here. Okay, so this is the equivalent here of that candle. So this candle here, this 11 a.m. New York candle, this is its equivalent on the 1 minute chart, or it being shown fractally here. With that, we can see buy side delivery here. We can see there's a fair value gap here. And call this the order block down here. So with that, having these criteria in place, this fair value gap is the main criteria here that we want to see. And then we get this price action here where price consolidates here in this range, and you can see prices trading in between this 25 and 50% area as price delivers to the sell side. So this is opposite of the trade direction here. And right here, and we're here on the 1 minute still, we get this price action here where there's a low, a high, a higher low, higher high, and here we get a market structure shift to the buy side right here at this level. In this, there's also these fair value gaps here. This is where I took a position, half size, then went in full size. My stop, there's a $70.10 spread So $70.10 below this is my stop loss. You can see price did dip down below this level, but did not reach my stop loss. And from there, after this pullback, price delivered to the buy side, and then I'm able to take profits here at 2 to 1. A reward to risk ratio here. Then my next position that I'm currently in was based off of the 1 hour, and was based off of this candle, which is the 1 p.m. New York candle right here. Or actually, let's so the 12 p.m. New York candle here is what this trade is based off of, and then this 1 p.m. candle here is where I took my entry. So the 12 p.m. candle here, which the trade idea is based off of, this is an up close candle, so this is a bullish candle, so my drawn liquidity is going to be to the buy side. Within that, I'm going to look for price to establish somewhere ideally around the 25% to 50% area here. But also it's going to require that this candle, that this entry candle is also at the time of entry in the same position as the candle that the trade idea is based off of. So since the trade idea is based off of this previous candle, which is up closed, which in this case that will show a green candle, this candle here will also need to display the same color or be trading in the same direction. In this situation, with this bullish candle, this very bullish candle, price action opened up very high in the candle, and it stayed pretty high in the range. The equivalent of this candle here, the equivalent of this previous candle or this setup candle is right here. And you can see this candle delivered to the buy side, consolidated in this area, and then delivered to the buy side, small consolidation, buy side here. Then price pulls back. Price does pull back into the 25% to 50% area here. So that criteria has been met, even though price did not remain in this area. And then we can see here, price broke out here, but price action never pulled back to this area. Price continued to deliver, and then there's been no market structure shift. So here there's a market structure shift that there's not been a return to that area. Price action has just delivered to the buy side since then. In this area here, you can see I have an order block and fair value gap here, and this is actually identified as a mitigation block. So this is looking for a continuation in price. So with that, I was able to take an entry here. Now zoom in what this entry is based off of. So there is a level here that this candle breaks through and closes through. That creates a break of structure, which is a continuation pattern from this market structure shift here. As price was being delivered to the sell side, then the algorithm is delivering price to the buy side, and then this would be the next level up here. And then since that price action, you can see price has consolidated, come back and tested this order block, buy side delivery consolidated. Then in this current candle here, price is redelivered to the buy side. I placed an order here, a limit order. As you can see here, there's another level here where there is actually this would be a market structure shift since price has traded in multiple directions here. But having a limit order as this level shifts, also you can see a very large fair value gap here, and then another order block down here. Prices come really close to my target for the trade that I'm currently in. So ideally I would want to see that target reached. I would still leave this position on for now, as this could potentially be inducement where this is an area of liquidity down here where price can come back to and sweep out liquidity before continuing to the buy side potentially. So this area here would be an area of interest because there's going to be a number of sell orders or sell stops resting below this area and this large fair value gap here. So currently my profit target is here. So my entry 102,447.5. That's to make up for the spread. There's a $70.10 spread on Bitcoin currently with my broker. The stop loss 102,126.2 and take profit 103.89. So this is a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio in this trade, and we'll see how price action plays out and if I'm able to take profit. Currently price has traded very near to target but has still been unable to reach, and we'll see now if price will return to this limit order area or where this market structure shift took place. We'll see if price will return here and watch its reaction if it continues to trade lower or returns to the buy side. Price could also deliver to the buy side and then come back to this area, or just continue to the buy side. So many options of what the price delivery algorithm could do in this area. But you can see over the course of the day, it's just been a gradual, or at least during the course of London, just a gradual stair step down. And then over the course of New York, a reverse and a stair step to the buy side. We'll see what price does here. I would say at this point, I think it would be a bit more probable that price would deliver to the buy side before delivering to the sell side currently. But we don't know until price is actually delivered. But since I'm in a position currently, I am going to be biased and want to see that position filled as quickly as possible. So this position was held over the New York lunch hour. I normally would not trade during the lunch hour, but with this current system that I am forward testing here, I just wanted to treat it as not place, or I would say not trying to place my previous rules on a different system. So just going to trade the 60-minute candles on face value. Log the results and see if it is profitable or not. Nearing profit target again. And we'll see if price will deliver here to the 2-to-1 goal. I'm getting some buy side delivery and some consolidation here. About $200 away from profit target. And as can typically be the case when approaching a area of, let's say, where you want to enter, or an area of where you would like to take profit, price tends to consolidate in these areas just before those areas. So experiencing that currently in Bitcoin, near to target but not quite, and getting some buy side delivery here with speed and consolidation. Continued buy side delivery here as Bitcoin just traded into a 1 minute fair value gap. Consolidating, and continued buy side delivery here. Getting some buy side delivery with speed. Seeing a bit of expansion here. Further buy side delivery. About $85 away from take profit currently. We'll see if price can continue to deliver to the buy side here to take profit. Getting some further buy side delivery here. Getting some speed into the marketplace, and take profit reached. So that was a 2-to-1 trade here, executed down here, and take profit here on the 1 minute. And then you can see here on the 1 hour, the entry right here, and take profit right here. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade safe, trade together. We'll see you next time.